Hi guys, so this is just a video to show you about yesterday how we trade the option premium flow. So we got the signal at around, which is 2250. So we got the signals here, and then we can refer to the option chart. 2250, yeah, it's here. So we actually open a trade, a put option trade to short around this area. So the pricing is between, probably one contract is around probably 82 cents to 95 cents. So once you got a contract, and our target profit is around this pink color line, which is kind of quite coincident, which is what I did on the weekly expiration date, whereby this is the kind of most of the liquidity is here, so taking profit around this area. So we are looking at, yeah, probably is like 30 minutes trade. Okay, so you probably will have to close the trade around here. Is between 280 to 260, so it's kind of probably close to 2 to 3x. All right,